Hi students, very good morning to one and all. Previous class we learned lesson 3rd good citizen. Okay, book back exercise also completed. Then short question answer first question completed previous class. Okay, today we are going to write balance question answer. Okay, have you studied book back exercise? Shall I ask questions? Okay, say man is a dash. What is the answer? Man is a dash. Say answer. Very good. Man is a social animal. Okay. Then civic means dash of a nation. The word civic means dash of a nation. What is the meaning? Civic means citizen. Civic means citizen. Okay. Then third question. The aim of education is to change a person into a dash. What is the answer? Very good. Valuable human beings. Valuable human being. Okay. Dash is the basic value for every individual. What is the answer? Personal value. Personal value. Always be dash in discharging duty. What is the answer? Prompt. Prompt means instant, immediate. Okay, another meaning. But correct answer prompt. P-R-O-M-P-T. Prompt. Have you studied? Okay. Students, now we are going to write second question, short questions. Take your classwork note and take your needed things. Okay. Right. Roman number 2. Second question. List out any 5 personal values. Okay. Right answer. Personal values are P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L. Personal values are values. What spelling ma? V-A-L-U-E-S. Personal values are love, mercy, honesty, truth, okay, and tolerance. Okay, right. Now say the spelling. Personal values. P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L. Personal values. V-A-L-U-E-S. Personal values are A-R-E-R. Love. L-O-V-E. Love. Mercy. M-E-R-C-Y. Mercy. Honesty. H-O-N-E-S-T-Y. Honesty. Truth. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. And tolerance. T-O-L-E-R-A-N-C-E. Tolerance. T-O-L-E-R-A-N-C-E. Tolerance. Okay. List out any 5 personal values question. How to write this answer. Okay. Next, one line leave after start third question. Write a short note on cultural values. Write a short note on 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 cultural values. Cultural values. Okay. Have you all understand the question? Cultural values, you have to write short note on cultural values. Answer. Becoming, right? Becoming well mannered, well mannered and cultured, is an essence of the society, essence of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This help to maintain cultural values. Now again I read the answer. Listen. Becoming well mannered and cultured is an essence of the society. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This help to maintain cultural values. Okay. Hard words, listen. Irrespective. Okay, what's the spelling? Irrespective. 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 Okay. Well mannered. Becoming well mannered. Becoming what spelling? BECOMING. Becoming. Well, WELL. Well mannered. 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 And cultured. CULTURED. Cultured is an essence. ESSENCE. Essence of the the society. 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 Irrespective of language. LANGUAGE. Language and religion. 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 People. PEOPLE. People live together. LIVE. Live together. TOGETHER. Together in harmony. Nallinakam. Okay. Harmony, what spelling? HARMONY. Harmony. This help to. This THIS. This help. HELP. Help to. TO. Maintain. MAINTAIN. Maintain cultural values. CULTURAL. Cultural values. VALUES. Cultural values. Have you all understand? Write neatly in your classwork notes, students. Next we are going to write fourth question. Listen, students. Third question finish after you leave one line. Next you are going to write fourth questions. Okay. Write the question. What are the social values? What are the social values? What are the social values? Okay.